So hey girl, hey. So currently we are, and by we are I mean I am sitting in my car because it is snowing goddamn hard outside. And so yeah, I wanted to shoot some pictures for our launch April 3rd for the Censored Apparel brand. If you do not know, formerly known as Girl Censored, but we have expanded the brand to include men's line and accessories and things like that, and it's now the Censored Apparel brand. And yeah, it's snowing goddamn hard outside. It is 37. It's not that cold, but it really is coming down. I figured I could get out and shoot some of our hoodies because it had slowed down, and I'm like, typically sometimes with the overcast it can make for great photos, so I'm like, I can get out, but you know, Colorado has just been Colorado. But anyways, you know, I'm just kind of waiting for it to slow down. Hopefully it will, but who knows? Who knows? But yes, so we are tentatively still scheduled for April 3rd. We have released some of our men's line, and we will in a couple of weeks be releasing the full line for the men's line. You know, I'm very particular about quality, especially when it comes to clothes, and really great quality. And so yeah, really great quality things. It's actually one of our pieces for the April 3rd launch. It's this jacket, and it has these shorts, and you can't see the shorts obviously, and then we have a hoodie, and this quality on this hoodie, I just love it. It's really great quality, and I'm about great quality. So yeah, this is a longer, thicker hoodie that I was gonna try to model in the snow, or take pictures of it in the snow, but it's just coming down way too hard. So hopefully it'll let up soon. The soft launch for the men's is already live on our website, so definitely check out the men's stuff that's already on the website. And we have our stuff from last year, and we will be discontinuing some of the things from last year as well, because we had a 2020 theme going on. We know what went on in 2020, so we will be discontinuing that 2020 stuff. It is really coming down. I don't think I'm gonna be able. I'm gonna try. I'm like sitting in a parking lot. It's not sticking yet, so I'm good. Things that come from Censored Apparel are things you won't see anywhere else. I mean, because they're all original designs, so you're not gonna see these designs anywhere else or anything like that. It's still snowing. You know, I'm all into manifesting and things like that and all that jazz. So at this point, I feel like it's really a really great time to really start seeing, taking inspired action on the things that you want to see for your life. I know for me, it's really gotten the snow really has got me thinking about what I want to do for the rest of my life, and where I see myself, and if this is the right spot for me. You know, time will tell, but when it comes to manifesting and speaking it into existence, you have to have, you know, an idea of what you want, like what it is that you want. So taking the time, doing some spring cleaning of your thoughts and your life, and you know, actually spring cleaning, because that's also great. And especially now that I'm moving, I have to move. You know, getting rid of things and making space for beautiful and amazing things to come into your life is so important. And when you make space for things, when you start clearing things out, when you start making space, it does give you a better compass on how to navigate your life moving forward, because once you have space and things are more clear in your life, then you're able to be like, okay, this is what I really want. This is the direction that I want to take my life. This is where I want to go, and these kind of things. So, you know, I think there's something to be said about spring cleaning. You know, and I'm big on metaphors. And so actually, like with your thoughts and the energy, clearing out energy that's not serving you and things like that, because it becomes more clear for you. Because when things are chaotic and you got so many things that are in the way, it's harder to see a way forward. It's harder to see where you're going when there's not a clear path. And so making space, clearing things out, and being very intentional in your life is so important. And especially like for me in this season of my life where I'm in a space where I'm like, I got to figure out what I'm gonna do. It's like clearing things out for me is actually, I feel, and this might be an intuitive knowing, is really going to help me moving forward and what I want. Clear, like there's ice on the window shield now at this point. It's really going to help me move forward. So I think I'm just going to go back home. I think I'm just going to go back home. I just wasted my gas trying to do some business stuff on a Sunday. Going up on a Sunday. Really and truly, the sun will come out tomorrow. Hopefully. Hopefully. The sun will come out tomorrow. Oh, you know, this reminds me of my old school like videos that I was doing on YouTube where I was always in the car because I was in my apartment, and then my kids were always there and it was always loud. That's not the case right now, but it kind of reminds me like that, like at those points where I was always doing the videos in my car. Yeah. Spring clean your life, something, you know, I think that it's important too. Also, it's a really great thing to really go in the flow of the seasons. Go in the flow of nature, and as nature is shifting and moving and transforming, and we're going into spring, to also do that with your life, and that's what they call spring cleaning. But not just like the physical aspect of cleaning things out of your home, but energetically, with your thoughts, with things that are not serving you in your life and things like that. It's important to be in the flow of nature. And even though it's not looking like spring right now with all this damn snow, you get what I mean. It's March. It technically is spring, I think it is. So hey, we can pretend. But anyways, I think I'll end it here. I'm just doing these random like vlogs, blogs, videos, whatever you want to call it, because that's just how my life has been. I'm gonna be honest. My life has been like that. But you know what? I'm so blessed and so grateful for everything, and that, you know, it's exciting. But I'll end it here. I've been talking for a while. I will check you guys in the next video. Peace.